Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look at the birds here beside me. Look at that. Look at the birds.
Just let
See?
them pick away now.
Yeah, let's see. Look at the birds. Please see. Yeah, give me some in my hand. Give me some in my hand. Give me some in my hand. Give me some more. Yeah, come on. See, I'm feeding the birds, guys. Look at that. Come here, baby. Come here on the other side so that I can see you. Here, at the front.
Hello, bird.
Hello, birds. See, at the front. At the front of the camera. There. I have to put that on your YouTube channel.
Where's the cup?
There's a cup. Just drink it here.
Oh, just a little bit at a time.
Just drink it there.
Too hard.
See, guys. Hi, birds. Come on, baby.
Some more birds.
See? Look at that. Come here, baby. Come here beside grandma here.
No.
Come here so that you can put your hand. Come here.
No.
I thought you want your YouTube channel to see? This is in Australia, which you could feed the birds. Look at that. Hello.
Got this little lone one here.
Yeah.
They're chasing it away.
Come on, baby. Come on.
I got some more birds for them.
Come on. Quick, quick, quick. Darling, you know that blackbird. Darling, that blackbird. Go away, blackbird.
The blackbird eat them?
Oh, they're fighting.
Oh, the little ones will chase him away.
Look at that. I'm not scared. Gano, what happened?
He's eating them now.
Yeah? They're so cute, isn't it? They're so cute. Oh, look at that.
I think he wants some more.
Yeah?
He's wrapped up.
They're so cute.
I need some apple juice now.
You could take video too on your camera, darling, because I'm gonna upload it in the other.
You can do it if you want.
Can you
What am I doing in the other one?
help me take this lid off?
So that should be different. Come on, baby. Come on. Say feeding the birds.
I think I know what happens when you see a bird.
Yeah?
It bites you, but it has to be like a different bird.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what.
It's really bites?
Yeah, it really bites, but it has to be a different bird because there was a bird at someone's backyard or something. Daddy said don't go near it; it will bite
Yeah?
you.
Oh, really?
I'm probably sure
Look
it's
at
that bird. I don't know.
Put it in another one.